Hi everyone, and welcome to the Simply Stamps channel. There are so many fun and creative ways to use hand lettering, and once you've mastered your own style, the possibilities are endless. So today we're sharing with you an introduction to hand lettering. From what supplies to use, we'll give you a few tips for finding your own style, and finally we'll put it all to use by addressing an envelope. So first of all, what supplies do you need to get started? Our favorite book for beginners is Creative Lettering and Beyond. It's full of different techniques and tips to get you inspired. Ben Fang practice paper is an essential because the gridded sheets make it easy to write straight and practice your ascending and descending letters. The same brand of parchment loose leaf paper comes in a variety of different colors, and since it's a parchment paper, it doesn't bleed or feather when you're hand lettering. Next, we'll show you our different writing utensils and brush pens. Starting with a pencil, but just for practice. Then next we have the Tombow Hardtip Fudanowski, which is also available in a soft tip. A Tombow Dual Brush is great for thicker and larger strokes. I also have an original Crayola marker, which oddly enough is perfect for beginners. The large tip makes it great for practicing your different strokes, but we'll show you that in a minute. Another one of our favorites is the Pentel Color Fine Point Pen. Finally, we have the Sakura Pigma Micron Pen in the PN tip size. I also have a Staedtler eraser, which is super useful when you want to draw out your words in pencil before tracing over them with your brush pen. Later, when we address our envelope, we'll finish it off with a beautiful address stamp, and we'll also use a lettermate. The lettermate is perfect for addressing all envelopes, even if you're not hand lettering them. It helps you be sure you're keeping everything centered and leaving enough room for your postage stamp. Always remember to angle your notebook towards your body. This will help you avoid writing uphill. And instead of holding your pen as you normally would, relax your forearm on your desk. Then cradle your pen between your pointer and your thumb. This will keep the movement in your forearm and not in your fingers. After you've collected your pens and paper, begin practicing different strokes. Start with light upward strokes and continue with heavier downstrokes. You can also try a combination of different loops and waves. Be sure to use less pressure on your upstroke and more pressure on your downstroke. Over time, you'll see that all of these different strokes actually connect together to create all of the words you'll be hand lettering. Be sure to take your time when hand lettering, but you'll also want to try and move at a consistent pace. You shouldn't be hand lettering as quickly as you would normally write. Instead of writing your letters, you're drawing them. Now that you've got a feel for the right way to hold your pen and applying the right amount of pressure, practice the whole alphabet. If you find a certain letter is harder than others, just keep practicing until you're comfortable writing it. When hand lettering, practice does make perfect. You'll find there are so many ways to draw each letter. So find your own style by practicing your letters again and again to see what you like the most. Once you've found your style and are comfortable with your hand lettering, there are so many things you can do. Since we here at Simply Stamps love the art of snail mail, we're going to show you how to beautifully address an envelope, which many people love to do for special occasions, like wedding invitations. Now this is where your lettermate will come in handy. Just place it centered over your envelope and simply write your address in. You can use your lettermate as a guide to hand letter your recipient's name, or you can make the overall style of your envelope more whimsical and fun by removing the lettermate and hand lettering the name in a larger size. Once you've addressed all of your envelopes in your beautiful handwriting, make return addressing your invitations easy with a return address stamp. There are so many different styles to choose from at Simply Stamps, from classic and simple to trendy and stylish. Just click on the link in this video's description to see all the different designs we have. Thanks for watching today, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your questions or requests for other videos in the comment section below.